All right, so this is a new thing that Apple has. So let's say I want to sign up for a website. All right, so if I come in, it says sign up for free. I click here, and what it's going to do is it's going to give me this thing where I can hide my email address. So when I click on this hide my email address, it's going to give me an alias email address here. All right, so this one is Cinder Patty's whatever at iCloud. If I don't like that one, what I can do is I can change it by just clicking here, and it gives me a different one, right? But what it does is it'll show this as the email address at this business, but it will forward it to my real email address that I have. So if you want to continue and use that, let's say if I wanted to use it for this specific thing, I would just hit continue. Well, let's go ahead and do it. So now it's going to say, hide my email address. You can add a note to help you remember how to use this email address. So the note would be, alias, whatever. So, but if I don't want to use it, I can hit cancel. And so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use it right now. I'm just going to cancel that. And but I wanted to show you guys that you have that ability now to use aliases for your emails that will point to your real email address. That way you'll still get your emails, but they won't know what it is, and so you can't get spammed. And when they sell it to somebody, it's going to be, you can block it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.